Welcome back everyone, I'm Bianca. I'm going to be talking about some of my favorite brow products at the moment because I am the brow queen. There's a few different little things. Now, these are more add-on products. You wouldn't do them in every single treatment, or maybe if you want to, you could. We've got the first one here, which is a gold keratin intensive treatment. Now this can be used for eyelashes and eyebrows. So this one here can be done in things like brow dyes, brow tints, brow lamination, even lash lifts as well. But I'm gonna open it up and show you because maybe this is why I love it so much, because it's so pretty. Oh, if I can get it out, hey. All right. Let's open up this bad boy. So this one's gonna help to improve the structure of the hair. And obviously keratin's gonna help with rebuilding the bonds. But look at that, so pretty. Now I always have these as add-ons in my services and they're called the bougie treatments. So for all you bougie babes, definitely get onto it. This one is another one that's similar to the keratin. It just comes in a different packet. I find this one not harder to use, but obviously you've just got to be very careful with your applicators and how you would apply it. So generally you would use something like a soft applicator, which I'm trying to show you. So ones like these. And just remember that you can only use one. I can't even, okay, there we go. So remember to use these ones, one per client. Never use it or double dip. Make sure you get enough out to apply it to the area that you're going to. But yeah, another keratin treatment, like I mentioned before, that will assist with the growth of hair, restructuring the bonds, and just to keep the hairs nice and healthy. Then we also have a deluxe balm, which is an advanced care balm. Now this one's from a place called Beauty Bar. They do lots of great lash lifting products, but this one's a more intensive, nourishing treatment. This one can actually be performed in between your step 1 and step 2 of a lash lift and a brow lamination. Yeah, so this one is a really beautiful, rich balm that's gonna help to just strengthen the roots, and it helps to give that hydration in these treatments, because any lash lift or brow lamination, because it is still a chemical process, it's going to be really dehydrating for the hair. So this is definitely a beautiful treatment to add into your services. And then we also have, which I didn't bring it, I'm really sorry, but I've got the box, is our skin color cream remover. Now, when you're using tints and dyes, I think it's really important as well just to make sure that you are caring for the hairs. So as I mentioned before, anything to do with adding a product or a color, it is a chemical. So it can be drying, particularly for clients who do have drier hair and drier skin. This is something that you can use to remove the color rather than just using water and like cotton rounds. It will be much more gentle and less irritating for the skin as well. But I've been loving that product at the moment. I feel like it's giving the tint and the dye almost like a boost of color. Now, another favorite product is, I never know how to pronounce this name. It's Thuya Thaya. Anyway, all their products are amazing. I do use their brow lamination system as well. But this particular aftercare cream, which is an eyelash and eyebrow regenerating cream, which I'm not sure if that one's gonna focus. This one's with argan oil, so perfect for giving strength back to the lashes and the brows. It will help to make them look thicker and fuller as well. And then some other little things of my favorite products at the moment. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of them. It's the Elan Pro Concealer pencils. So these ones are great for, especially if your client wants their brows highlighted or even for your after photos, which is super important to have your transformation photos on your social media so people can see your work. Comes in a warm and a cool shade. So all you need to do is apply a line of it underneath the brow to highlight, and just use an angle brush or a flat brush to blend it off. And it will definitely help to give the brows that much more of a pop, giving it a really clean look as well. And then, as well as my favorite products at the moment that I'm using in my services, also have my favorite tools to use, which I can show everyone. Now, can't go wrong with a spoolie. Definitely your softer ones are going to be better because they're more gentle for the area. And you do have to be really careful when you're using these with clients. You don't want to scrub too hard because you can break the skin. And then if products get in, it can be really irritating, and that can lead to further sensitivities. And then we have the soft sponge applicators, which again, these ones are great for applying products, removing products as well, tidying up any areas. I probably use these the most for my lamination services, or to apply to any aftercare oil. They're amazing, those ones. And then we have our little, these are called interdental brushes. So yes, they can be used to floss your teeth, but please don't floss your teeth and then use it on someone's face, because no. Great for lamination, definitely, to brush that product right through so that it can absorb into all of the follicle or the root of the hair, essentially, to make sure that you're getting that really nice smooth lamination effect. Then we have micro tips. So these ones, great for lash lifts too. They can also be used for cleaning up the brow dye or brow tint, applying products, obviously more precision because of that precision, sorry, because of that little tiny, okay, there we go. Yeah, so these perfect, wow, they're not perfect, nothing's perfect, no. These little micro tip applicators are great for applying product, removing product, or correcting any like excess stain or dye that you might have got on the skin. These ones can also be used with lash lift products too. So applying any of the solutions, which we cater a few of those courses at our school here. Eyelash lift and tint, we've got the eyebrow lamination course, we've got the henna course, and then the facial, eyebrow and facial waxing and tinting course, sorry. So definitely these ones can be utilized into those as well. Now, these ones here, I don't actually know the name for these. They're just, I think they're micro tip as well. But anyway, besides the point, these are great for removing any excess color or stain from the skin. You can just do it in a cleaner line. Sometimes you can use cotton tips, but cotton tips can be quite round and a bit larger, so it's harder to get like a cleaner tidy up of the color, really. So these ones work perfect with all of your applications too. If you have any other questions about any of the products or some products that you'd like to see us using, let us know in the comments below. Remember to hit the bell to see more, like and subscribe. Thanks everyone.